Hi friends, today this is day 5 of chapter 2 Polynomials for 10 CBSE. Exercise 2.3 is going on. It's question number 4 we will start. Yesterday we did up to 3 questions. Today we will start now question number 4. Let's see on the board. There are polynomial of x variable x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is given. Qx is given, which is x minus 2. Rx is minus 2x plus 4, and question is that find gx. For this question we need one formula. That formula is so simple, division algorithm that we can use. In this, there is a formula: polynomial of x variable equals to gx multiplied by qx plus rx. This is the formula. What we will do first of all px, qx and rx we will shift, then we will get the value of gx. So this px minus rx, which is divided by qx, so we will get gx. To find out px minus rx, we will apply both the values, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus rx, and rx is minus 2x plus 4. If we subtract, so we got x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus minus plus 2x and minus 4. Now this x and 2x will be 3x. So px minus rx equals to x cube minus 3x square, x plus 2x is 3x, and 2 and minus 4, there will be minus 2. So this is value of px minus rx. Now we will divide this px minus rx by qx to find out value of gx. So this is the process of divide. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divide by qx, which is x minus 2. Now this x cube divide by x, so we will get x square. This multiply to this, so we get x cube, and 2 multiply this, then minus 2x square. Sign change, we got minus plus, it is cancelled, plus minus subtraction, so negative x square will be there, plus 3x minus 2. First term divide by first term. So first term, whenever we will divide by first term, so now first term will be divide by first term. So this negative x square divided by x, we will get negative x. it will be multiplied to this, so it will be same, and minus minus plus 2x will be there. After subtraction, it is cancelled, their subtraction is x minus 2, and first term divided by first term, we will get same. Sign change, cancel, everything will be 0. So we can say this gx is x square minus x plus 1. I'll explain once again. This x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, we will divide by x minus 2, and our rx is given. So this formula we will apply, px equal to gx into qx plus rx. This rx we will shift other side, so it will be negative. Then we will divide by qx. So this qx and gx we are finding. Px minus rx we can find out after subtraction. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. Minus plus 2x and minus 4. Now x cube minus 3x square, x plus 2x is 3x, and positive 2 and negative 4 is minus 4. So finally we got px minus rx equals to this. To find out gx, we have a formula, we will divide by qx, and our qx is x minus 2. That I applied in this. Now first term divide by first term, we will get x square. That x square will be multiplied to both the numbers. So there will be x cube and 2 negative x square, then there will be 2x square. Sign change, it is cancelled. Minus plus is subtraction. We will subtract, then we will get x square, and sign will be negative because 3 is greater. 3x and 2 is left now. Again first term divide by first term, we will get minus x. It will be multiplied to x, and there will be negative x, and minus 2 multiplied by 2 minus x, there will be positive 2x. It is cancelled, 3 minus 2 is x, and minus 2 will be there. Now first term divide by first term, we will get 1, and it will be same. Sign change, cancel, remainder 0. It means whatever the quotient, that is gx. This much is the solution of question number 4. Now we will start next question, which is question number 5. Question number 5. Give example. Of polynomials px, gx, qx, and rx, which satisfy the division algorithm So first of all, there is degree of Px equals to degree of Qx. This we have to prove. So suppose I take Px equals to x plus 2, 2x plus 2. and my gx is only 2. If I divide this px by gx, so this 2x plus 2 divided by 2, and we get x plus 1, which is qx. So degree of px is 1 because x raised to 1, and degree of qx, that is also 1 because x is to 1. Therefore we can say degree of px equals to degree of qx in this example. This is first example. Now second, there is given second part, which is degree of qx equals to degree of rx. This time we will take a separate example. Suppose px is x plus 1, gx is x. So if we divide this px by gx, so we will get qx. So this is x plus 1. Whenever we divide, so it is left. So degree of qx, that is 1, and degree of, sorry, not 1, 0, rx also 0. Both are same. Please write, then we will take third part of it. So finally we can say degree of qx equals to degree of rx. Now next, is rx. Degree of rx is 0. So in this situation, same question we can take, otherwise other one. Px equals to x, gx equals to only x. If we divide, so we will get qx. Whenever we divide, so there will be x, 1s are x, remainder 0, there will be 1, so rx is 1, means degree of rx is 0. This is proof. Please write. Then we will start today our optional exercise. Now I am erasing everything. Now next exercise is optional exercise. Exercise number 2.4. First question, verify that the number given alongside of the cubic polynomial below are there zero, also verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. In each case, first part 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, and these are the zeros. So I'll repeat this question. Question is so simple. First of all, it is given these are polynomials, zeros of the polynomial, that we have to verify. So how to get these are the polynomials? Let's see. First of all, one by one we will put the values. So suppose this is polynomial of x, which is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So now on the place of x we will write 1 upon 2. So there will be 1 upon 2 cube plus 1 upon 2 square minus 5 into 1 upon 2 plus 2. This 2 and 1 upon 2 cube is 1 upon 8. Its square is 1 upon 4. This is minus 5 upon 2 and this is plus 2 upon 1. This 2 and 4, 8 cancel, we get 4. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 5 upon 2 plus 2. LCM we will take. 4 will be LCM. 1 plus 1 minus 10 plus 4 2s are 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So we can say yes, 1 upon 2 is 0 of polynomial of x variable. Now we will take second polynomial, second 0, that is 1. It means on the place of x we will write 1. So 2x cube means 2 into 1 cube plus x square means 1 square minus 5x means 5 into 1 and plus 2. Let's take 1 cube is 1, that's why 2. 1 square is 1 minus 5 plus 2. 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 5 minus 5 equals to 0. It means yes, 1 also 0 of px. Third, p minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 cube plus minus 2 square, 5 into 2 negative, negative 2 is there, and plus 2. If we open this, so 2 into minus 8 plus this will be 4 plus 10 plus 2. So minus 16 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2. So there are positive 16 and minus 16, and that is 0. So yes, minus 2 is also 0 of polynomial of x variable. Please write this, then we will continue by verification of their relations between coefficient and zeros. So I will erase this, please write down, then we will continue this question. This is first part of it. Now I am erasing. This much I am erasing. I need some space. Now verify the relation. As you know that this is cubic polynomial. So we have first relation, sum of zeros. Its formula is alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b upon a. Alpha is 1 upon 2, beta is 1, and gamma is minus 2. A is 2, B is 1, C is minus 5, and D is 2. These values we will apply in this formula. Let's apply. Half plus minus 2 equals to minus b upon a. There will be 2 LCM, 1 plus 2 minus 2. 2 2s are 4, sorry. So there will be minus 1 upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 2. Verified. Let's apply for second relation. That is product of sum of the product of two zeros at a time. That looks like alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equals to c upon a. Alpha is 1 upon 2, beta is 1, beta is 1, and that is minus 2, and minus 2 into half. And c is minus 5, and a is 2. If we observe, so this is half, this is minus 2, and this 2 cancel, and minus 1. Whenever we solve by taking LCM, so 1 minus 4 minus 2, so there will be minus 5 upon 2, and it is also minus 5 upon 2. It is also verified. And last relation is alpha, beta, gamma equals to minus d upon a. So alpha, beta, gamma, all these are given 1 upon 2, 1 into minus 2 equals to minus d, and d is positive 2 upon 2. This 2 and 2 cancel, we get minus 1 equals to minus 1. So it is also verified. So finally it is verified according to relationship between zeros and coefficients. Please write it down. Now I am taking its second part. Its second part is polynomial is given x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2, and zeros are 2, 1, 1. These are the zeros. Now let's apply P2. So 2 cube minus 4 2 square plus 5 into 2 and minus 2. 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, and 4 4s are 16. There will be 10 and minus 2. 10 and 8 is 18. This is minus 18, so 0. So yes. P1 1 cube minus 4 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2. 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2. Now there is positive 6 minus 6 becomes 0, and third one is also 1, that's why it will be same. Let's apply for relations. There are 3 relations I told you in the beginning. So first of all we will write A, B, C, D. So A is 1, B is minus 4, C is 5, and D is minus 2. Alpha is 2, beta is 1, and gamma is 1. First relation, alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b upon a. 2 plus 1 equals to minus b upon a, and b is also negative 4. So it is 4 equals to 4. Second relation is sum of product of two zeros at a time. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equals to c upon a. Let's apply now. Alpha beta, it means 2 into 1, then 1 into 1, and 1 into 2, and c is 5 upon 1. So there is 2 plus 1 plus 1, sorry 2. So there is 5 equals to 5. It is also. And third relation, alpha beta gamma equals to minus b upon a. There is a product of all. 2 into 1 equals to minus d, and d is minus 2. So finally we get 2 equals to 2. That is also done. Verified. Please write it down. Now, first question is done of optional exercise. Now I will give you homework. That homework you have to do according to these exercises, whatever we did. Let's write. I am erasing now this. HW. First, verify that 3, minus 1, minus 1 upon 3 are zeros of the cubic polynomial px, which is 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3, and then verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. And second question, which is find quadratic polynomial the sum and product of whose zeros are minus 3 and 2 respectively. Please write down this homework. So today in the class we did some questions related to algorithm. Then we did some questions related to cubic polynomials. We found zeros are not or yes, that, and then we found verification of the coefficients of the zeros and we can say zeros of the polynomial and coefficients of the polynomial. So this is very important to you. I hope you understand everything, and if you have some doubts you can ask me for next class. I will take these type of questions. If you face any problem, I will solve. Okay, today's class is this. Thank you and have a nice day.